Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. In the last episode, we explored Agonda, and in this episode, we are going to visit the Butterfly Beach.
Welcome to a brand new season of Bonkers Note, where we bring to you Goa the way we see it.
We are Urvi and Utsav, full-time travelers and digital storytellers. We call Goa our home for the next 1 month and bring to you some amazing content as we experience Goa from north to south.
Good morning, and we are just coming out of our stay to visit the Butterfly Beach. This is a very fine morning. It's very chilling out here, and this is a very soothing time to go for that trek. We have heard that this trek is not that difficult, and we can walk up to the beach.
We are going through the village road of Agonda, and it is just along the sea, and not a single soul is there on the road. It's very empty right now.
We are already on the Butterfly Beach road. The road is not very good. I think only one single car can pass, that to a small car, or else if you have a 4x4, it would be an advantage. We will go up to the Butterfly Cafe. From there we think there is a parking where we have to park our car, and from there we have to walk to the beach. I really envy the people who live out here. They have the opportunity to live in this peaceful place, in this serene setting. It's a great opportunity that they have, and I really appreciate the way we are getting an opportunity right now to visit this place, a way to enjoy the nature that is here. So I do not think you should risk this road during monsoons, because the road is very uneven and there are a lot of ditches, and those would definitely create puddles, difficulties to drive during monsoon. This is also known as Leopard Valley, and I hope we do not encounter one leopard. We have just arrived at that pay parking, and a person came and he told that it's going to be 100 rupees for the parking, and he said that this parking has opened up very recently, so this is safe to keep your car here. From here we have to travel 2 kilometers on our foot, and we'll be there on the beach.
There is a board that is showing that this way is the Butterfly Beach, and we will have to walk 2 kilometers, so let's go.
Urvi smartly moved into her walking shoes today, but I am still in my slippers. I am still in that beach mood, and I can't blame myself. If you are in Goa, you are supposed to be in that beach mood, right?
Yeah.
The road here I do not think is that bad. I can
spot some peacocks.
Oh wow. Oh,
Wait, they're running away.
they will be running away. I have to be very quiet right now. Yeah, we saw those peacocks, but we were not able to catch them on camera. We didn't want to scare them off, but somehow they got the hint that we are here, and they went far into the forest. We didn't think that it would be a good idea to follow them into the forest. So we are continuing on our trail towards the Butterfly Beach.
clearance area, that is a plain land behind me. We come across the jungle a bit and then we reach till there. I can see some tire marks. I think two-wheelers can still go to some point beyond this.
I believe the clearance gave way to a denser part of the forest. The roads have got more narrower now, and I can see the intensity of those birds chirping has gone far more louder.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby.
So we are around 250 meters away from the beach, and I can already hear the sea and the sea wind howling through these trees.
Putting our life in boxes, erasing the memories so you won't notice. I'm taking the time to focus.
And what you can see behind us is the scooter. Somebody has come up to this point on two-wheeler, but for someone like us, right, who like hiking, it's a great opportunity to walk through the forest.
Yeah, and it's a different experience which we don't get to experience every day. So it's good to do a morning hike.
But we can't keep flying. We keep getting stuck on the wrong side of the mountain. We were so good at trying, but we can't keep trying, 'cause we only end up on the wrong side of the mountain. We gave it so many chances.
The last 90-meter trail was a little narrow, and definitely no car or two-wheeler can make past that, right?
Yeah.
But what it does is it gives way to this beautiful beach.
I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing.
It was quite nice hiking up till here. It's very pretty. And we almost have the beach by ourselves. Only two people other than us are on the beach, and it's very nice. Maybe the beach is not that accessible other than by hiking or through boats from Agonda or Palolem Beach. That is why it's very less crowded.
Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know and I know we're onto something good. You know and I know we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart.
We are on our way back to the car parking from Butterfly Beach. Thankfully, it's a little cloudy weather today, so we do not feel the heat so much. It has been a very pleasant trail so far, and going through the forest, it's really a very good experience.
All along the trail and even on the Butterfly Beach, we have noticed a lot of trash. To maintain the sanity of this place, it is advisable to not litter like this. We have finally completed the trail and we are on our car, and we decided not to do our breakfast here. We are heading back to our stay.